Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to move this trim panel right here, use a trim tool. We sell these at 1aauto.com. Just get in behind here. Pry this out, use some clips. This one happened to stay in there. There's the other one. I'm going to take this clip out before it gets lost. Just use some needle nose pliers. And we can reinstall it on here. Just push it on. So I'm just going to push it on this bench, push it down, just like that. Next is a cover right here. I'm going to take a flat blade screwdriver and just pop this cover off. There's two Phillips head screws right there. Take those out with a Phillips head screwdriver. Pull the handle out of your way a little bit. And get this screw out as well. Over here, there's a little cover. Under here, just get your screwdriver under the cover, peel it up. It's just rubber. Another Phillips head screw. Take this one out. Over here, there's a little cover. Take your flat blade screwdriver and pry underneath it. Pull it out of your way. And if you look up in there, there's a Phillips head screw. I'll take this one out. And under here, there's one more cover. Put this one off. There's a Phillips head screw right here. Take this one out. We're going to use a trim tool and go underneath here. And just pop off the door panel. And go all the way around. Pop in the door pins. Just like that. Once this is all loose, you can lift up on the door panel, pull it back. I'm going to pop this inner door handle assembly in. I'll just take my trim tool, grab under here. There's some clips that hold it in. Just pop these up like this, just like that. That can stay like that for now. I just spun the door panel so that we can see this electrical connector. There is a little tab on here, right there. So push down on that and release the connector. All right, we're gonna flip this over and we're gonna release this lock right here on the cable. We can use a straight blade screwdriver and then release that right there. And there's another lock right here. Use the screwdriver to help you as you pull up on it. Sometimes this is a little bit tricky. Just pull that lock to the side, then you can pull up on the cable like that. And then this other one, push down on this black lock like that. It pulls that out of the way. Take our straight blade screwdriver, move that way. And then we need to release it over here. Just take the screwdriver and pry up. And then we can pry the cable right out just like that. Okay, we're gonna have to take this clip off to install it on our new one. There's a little lock right here. I'm just gonna use a small flat blade screwdriver. While you push this in, I'm gonna pull up on it a little bit. Just put a little pressure on it, and we can pull it right out. This is our old part. This is our new part from 1aauto.com. If you compare, You can see that the shape is the same on the back side. The brackets are the same. The retainers are all the same as the original. The handle works the same as the old one. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. Before we install our cables, we're gonna install this clip right here. Just gonna line it up with the hole. And lock it in. We're going to install this lock cable first. Slide that on, and we can lock this in place right there. Okay, so we're going to want to make sure that this cable is in the unlock position, so you're going to push the cable in, and then the same over here. You want this in the unlock position, and then we can press the cable onto this retainer, and then close it, and then we'll check it, make sure it's working properly. Perfect. Now we can take this cable, we're going to slide this part in over here, we're going to lock this retainer on like that, and then we'll lock the cable in place, and then lock it in, just like that. Sometimes you'll have one of these clips stay in the door and we need to put it back in the door panel. We have this clip remover tool. You can get these at 1aauto.com. You do is slide it on all the way and then you just pop it out. All right, we'll reinstall this clip. Slide it in here. Push it on like that. And we'll reattach our master window switch electrical connector. Just plug it in the back here until it locks in place. And we'll take the inner door handle. We're going to line it up with the inside of the panel. Just like this. And once that's on, slide the top part of the door panel in first into the window channel, just like that. And we'll make sure our door panel is lined up with our pins. It's lined up, then we can start pushing it on. We'll install these two screws here. Install the screw right here. Tighten that down. We can push this cover on. Install the screw right here. Then we'll pop this cover on. And install the screw right here. And we can pop this cover on this way. Just like that. And then this little one goes right here, gets locked in right there, and then line these retainers up, lock it in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.